Hello guys, so this video is regarding review of Kira Excel serum. So this was recommended by my dermatologist, and it is having amount of 60 ml, and the price is 1290 rupees. And yeah, according I had some allergy from minoxidil, so she has recommended this serum, and which claims strengthens, protects and anchors. uh, yeah, so I have been using it for like more than 2 months, approximately 3 months now. And yes, this is my second bottle, and this is the bottle I yeah, there you can see some packaging variation. This is a new one which I ordered from a 1mg app. And yeah, so talking about how it's working for me now, results are visible now after using it for good time. And you have to be patient when you are using this serum. Yeah, definitely you have to reduce taking tension about the hair fall. And apart from this, I was added recommended some of the tablets which I am regularly taking. And you have to be regular while using this serum. And I can see some visible results in front of my forehead where the area was going bald, and there I can see some baby hair growing back, and which is a good sign, I would say. And since the area I can see which is visible, and even I am applying it from all over my scalp wherever I feel the volume is less. So definitely, I would say, who is looking for this serum, it has helped for me and it has worked for me as so I hope it works for if you are going to use it for good time, taking good nutrition food, and include protein as well as vitamins in your diet. That is really helping me. I hope my overall volume of the hair increases, and hoping for everybody else. So thank you. Bye bye.